Since I live in Florida, I must put on sunscreen before I leave the house. I love La Roche-Posay's moisturizer, and I just found out that they have a moisturizer with SPF 30 in it, and I am so excited. I'm gonna put it on, and I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like. I really like how it's lightweight. I like that it does not burn my eyes. When I put sunscreen on, a lot of them will burn my eyes, even if I don't go close to the eye. This is how close I get. Somehow, sunscreens manage to burn me every single time, but this one right here, like I said, it's super lightweight. It doesn't leave any of the white marks, and I really like that it doesn't burn my eyes. Anything La Roche-Posay is a must-have, honestly. If you don't have any La Roche-Posay, this is your sign. I had to do extensive research because I have very sensitive skin, and La Roche-Posay hits every single time. It doesn't leave my skin burning. It doesn't cause any rashes. It's perfect, okay? Anybody with sensitive skin, I promise you, you will not regret using La Roche-Posay. I love that this keeps me moisturized, hydrated all day long, and protects me from the sun. So this is what it looks like right now, right after putting it on. And I'll show you what it looks like in a few minutes after it's set.